Hi guys, my name is simontwu and I'm an award-winning international singer-songwriter and a vocal coach. I teach in Beijing, Taipei, LA, etc. And today I want to share with you guys how to sing beautiful high notes in 5 minutes. But before I get there, there's a few questions that keep being asked, so I have to answer that first. Why do I keep running out of breath when I sing? Well, there are many reasons. You might have not taken your breaks when you should of taking the breath. For example, a phrase of like, Maria, I just met a girl named Maria. So you forgot to take that breath. So, Maria, I just met a girl named Maria. Then suddenly running out of breath, right? So that might be an example. Or if you're not breathing correctly, which you just have to relax more when you're taking the breath. You're not trying so hard to take a strong and big breath. We actually got to that in one of the videos, so you can feel free to check that out if you have that problem. Next question. I'm afraid of high notes. What should I do? Oh no! A lot of people are afraid of high notes. Well, my suggestion is to vocalize run da 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 da. So you do a vocalize to a higher note. So you do a vocalize higher than the highest note in the song, and then you for example, your highest note is F, and I would vocalize to like a G or A, and then I'll feel like F is not a big deal anymore, and then I can sing it beautifully. All right, don't be afraid. I feel like my words are getting in the way of my singing. Okay, so if that's the case, I would suggest fixing your vowels, finding a vowel that suits you to hold that high note, or even just that note. So, for example, you don't want to sing master of the house. You want to be master of the house. So you're holding on a vowel that you're comfortable with, all right? Usually it's the first one. And that actually leads right into the topic of today, how to sing beautiful high notes in 5 minutes. I think a big part of it, other than the support and other things that we talked about in other videos, is all about the vowels. There's even a theory of vowel modification, which is choosing a vowel that's similar that you are comfortable with, right? To make sure that high note is sung beautifully. So for example, it might be the instead of the. I actually modified it to the a little bit so I'm more comfortable, right? That's one of the theories, but today I want to focus even more on just the vowels itself. For example, from Jekyll and Hyde, see it sparkle and shine, right? So that it's not like see it sparkle and shine or see it sparkle and shine. Hold on. So I have to find a vowel that I'm comfortable with, and it's usually the first vowel, which is in shine, right? So it's not like which is a consonant, which clogs up my vocal passage, my air passage, or e. It's not shine, it's shine, right? So you definitely have to know all your vowels, all the notes you have to hold, and that's definitely going to help you so much and sing high notes, all right? So for example, see it sparkle and shine. I would say if you're just practicing this for the first time, put about 97% in your emphasis of the vowel, and then just 3% on the consonants and the diphthong. So shine. You see how quick that was? Just for now. And that's definitely going to help you with the high notes or any notes that you're holding on to. Well, I hope you guys learned something today. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this to help you become a better singer. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll try to get to it before the next video. Cool. Well, thank you so much for your time and I'll see you next time. Ciao.
We will win, we will win. We'll stand up and rise together again.